Okay, all right. So in today's tutorial, I'll be talking about measures. Measures now. Measures actually could be called virtual calculations. They don't become part of your data set, but they only calculate when you want to add them to report visualization. So when you're done with the measures, you may not really see it. Only when you are doing the report visualization, that's when you get to see measure. So if file size is an issue, then you may want to use measure instead of using calculated table or a calculated column. So there are mainly two various type of variations of measures. We have the quick measures, and they are more like template of some sort, and then also we have measures that you build from scratch. All right, so we're going to see the two. So we start first by building the quick measure. Let's use a quick measure, and then we want to create a quick measure in the orders table that will give us the average sales based on customer segment. We're using the quick measure to get the average sales based on customer segment. All right, so let's do that real quick. So we're going to the orders table first of all right. Then on the orders table, what we're going to do is to right click. I'm going to right click this. Okay. All right. I'm looking for a quick measure. We can't find quick measure there, so I'm going to go home under my table tools. Then I'm looking for quick measure. All right. Quick measure. All right. Quick measure pops. Quick measure under orders table. Quick measure. All right. Now the next thing we're going to be doing is this. Okay. So we have calculations. Yeah. We have select a calculation. What calculation do you want to perform? I'm going to drop this one down. Now the next thing I'm going to be looking for. Remember that what we're trying to achieve is a quick measure that we give an average sale based on customer segment. Average sale based on customer segment. All right. So I'm going to come down. All right, come down. So we have totals for category. Filters not applied. That's what we're going to. Under totals, we're going to select total for category. Filters not applied, and then I select that. Okay. The next one we have is the base value. Now, what's base value about? This information will give us. Now, the base value is the value whose total you want. Okay, so in our case here, what we're looking for is this the average sales based on customer segment. So we're looking for the average sales. So we're looking the base value here is what the sales. Okay, so we're going to add that. Okay, where do we find sales? We can search it out. Okay, sales is order under. It's under orders now. We can now drag that cell or we select that. All right, so it's here. Now, by the right here where we have this greater than sign, select that. And then we're going to change. I'm looking for the average sales. So we come to summarization and then look for um, average. Here is it. All right, that for the base value. How about for the category? The category is under customer segment. So I'll add data here. I look for my customer segment. Of course, I can also select that. I can just search it out, customer segment, and I select it. And voila, that's that. So check out what happens here. So this one will not ask me for anything, the other options. Whatever, then I'm done. I can now add it up. Okay. Now take notice of something. Now we have it here. Average of sales for total segment is like a calculator symbol. Okay. So that's what we call a measure, and that's the quick measure we've done. Okay. Remember that the quick measures will not come out. You cannot see it here. You cannot tell what value it holds until you visualize it. Okay, so we're going to build a simple visualization so that we can see the result of the measure. All right, so we're going to simply go to the report view, like here, and then we're back at the report view. Now, on the report view, we're going to drag this average sales of total, right? This one, the measure we just created. We're going to drag it like this out here, and then the next thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to drag the customer segment view. Let's look for the customer segment view. This is it. Already you can see here the measure is 1,014. Right? That's the average sales total for customer segment, right? So that's the value. Remember that you cannot find it in except you visualize it. Okay, so this one it already give me the total. Okay, now we want to drag in. I'm going to drag in customer segment. Okay, customer segment directly into it. I drag customer segment. Now the idea is that, okay, and that you can see the measure is alright coming out. And then also I'm going to drag the product category field. Product category field. Let me just search it here. Product category field. Okay, and I'll drag it right into it. Right, so we can see. So from here, by the left here, we can tell the suggestion for the kind of visual that can go with this. So you can select any of the visuals, dark bar charts. You can select that. You can select any of those visuals now. And then you can even select star column charts, the table matrix. All right, so we are only doing this for illustration's sake and not really for anything. Okay, we just want to show you how it works, how you use measures. Okay, so we've been able to make measures, a quick measure, and then we've been able to make the visualization out of that measure. So you see that it didn't calculate the quick measure until it was added into the visualization. So that was the summary of everything. Okay, so see in the next video. The next video we'll talk about how to build measures from scratch. All right, you may not save this. Okay, you can delete this. We don't want the visualization. Then take it off. All right.